the fast-paced world of online education, the race is on to create engaging, interactive, memorable, and exciting lessons. But with the right strategies, you can create lessons that not only educate, but inspire. So if you're looking for new strategies to elevate your lesson planning and content creation, stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, Class in the Cloud. I'm teacher Simi, and today we're diving into the topic that's crucial to every online English teacher: lesson planning and content creation. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your lessons to the virtual realm, these tips will help you create engaging, personalized, and effective lessons that your students will love. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another update. And if you found this video helpful, consider giving it a super thanks. Your support means everything to me and will keep this channel growing. Personalize your lessons. Let's kick things off with one of the most important aspects of lesson planning: personalization. Tailoring your lessons to your students' interests and needs not only keeps them engaged, but also makes learning more meaningful. Whether your student loves sports or cooking or music, find ways to incorporate these interests into your lessons. This way, learning becomes relevant and enjoyable to them. Use visual aids. Visual aids are a game changer when it comes to keeping your lessons interactive and engaging. Incorporate pictures, videos, props, realia to help illustrate key concepts and make abstract ideas more concrete. Whether you're teaching vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation, visual aids can make a huge difference in how your student grasps the concept that you are teaching. And don't forget that all-important TPR. Prepare downloadable materials and homework. Another great way to enhance your lessons is providing your students with downloadable materials to do for homework. Whether it's a PDF with key vocabulary, a worksheet to practice, or a guide to review after the lessons, these resources give your students something to refer to later. It's a great way to reinforce what they've learned and provide them with tools they can use outside of the lessons. Incorporate real-life scenarios. To make learning even more practical, try incorporating real-life scenarios into your lessons. Use everyday situations, like ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions, to teach vocabulary and grammar. This not only helps your students learn the language, but also equips them with skills they need to use this language in real-life situations. Gamify your lessons. Finally, who says learning English can't be fun? Gamify your lessons for your students. Turn the lessons into interactive games using tools like Wordwall and Kahoot. These platforms allow you to create quizzes, flashcards, and other game-based activities to make learning more enjoyable. Plus, they're a great way to keep students motivated and engaged, especially during longer lessons. And if you have multiple students in your lesson, you can even create competitions in these games, which will help you engage all your students at once in a fun way. So there you have it. 5 game-changing strategies to master lesson planning and content creation as an online English teacher. Number 1, personalize your lessons. Number 2, use visual aids. Number 3, provide downloadable materials. Number 4, incorporate real-life scenarios. And number 5, gamify your lessons. By doing this, you'll not only make your teaching more effective, but also make it more enjoyable for yourself and your students. And that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Class in the Cloud for more tips, hacks, and resources. And if you'd like to support my channel, please hit that super thanks button. I really appreciate it. All donations will go to creating more exciting content for you. Thanks for watching. I'm Simi. This is Class in the Cloud. Goodbye.